Hello everyone, Akash here. This is the DININZI beard blame. There's many different kind of beard blame out there you'll see in the market, right? But how you know which one really works? The few other product I tried and it didn't work as good as I wanted to use. And there was two things. If you're struggling yourself that you're not sure which one to get, I've been through the exact same thing. But this one I only used 5 times, 5 use, only 5 use, and this is what I got. There's few things other you thinking about. Maybe you have some few white hairs on your beard, then you thinking, should I grow my beard with the white one? There's a very easy way to get rid of those whites. And if you, like I said, this one I use only 5 times in 7 days. This is what I got. So I'm really impressed with this, how fast it's working, and I hope it works continue like this. So this one with the mango and a butter seed, and there's some other nutrition in it, and it's very easy to use. I believe it's a 30 grams, so it's not that big. It's 30 gram. I think this is good for probably more than a month, depending how much you want to grow. And this is how it's gonna look like. It smells fine. It smells fine. You just take gently a little bit on your hand, and you put it, if you think you need a little bit more here, right here, or somewhere you think you have a little bit less, just gently put it and gently massage it. That's about it. And you could go by your day and it doesn't smell at all. You're not gonna feel it at all. And like I said, I didn't thought this is gonna work this fast, and it just 7 days, and only 5 times I used it. I used it a little bit, not too much, and this is what I got. So I would say definitely I would recommend it. It's very cheap also. It's like $5-6. I have the link in description box. So it's pretty cheap, and it's gonna last you for a long time because you're not using much, and it smells good and it works really fast. And if you're thinking you're having some white hairs and you're thinking that's the only reason sometimes you always shave, because you're thinking, I don't want my white hair to shave, and you don't want to color it, because coloring it, sometimes like it's a hassle to color your beard or hair. By the way, in my channel there's many great hair loss product, like hair treatment shampoo, hair treatment serum. There's so many great products that I personally use for my hair, and it really helped me over the year. It's in my channel playlist. You could check it out. All hair growth product is there. So this is Control GX. This is made by Just for Men. I don't know if you see this product. This is like a shampoo. I wouldn't call it shampoo, but this is kind of like a shampoo. It's not like a hair colored or beard colored, nothing like that. This is very easy. When you open this up, this is how it's gonna look like. You just take a little bit on your hand and you put it and you gently massage it, just like you use the BLAM. So let's say you're going to work or something, you're going out, you just put the BLAM a little bit and you go by your day. But when you come home, you're thinking about taking a shower, then I had a lot of white hairs right here. I was getting some right here, and now only like 3 use, I hardly could see any, because like you don't want to coloring your beard is really hassle. I feel that way. So this is like a shampoo. You use it on your hair exactly like this. So you take a little bit, you put it. Best way to do it before you take a shower, like let's say 5 minutes before you take a shower, you just take a little bit on your hand, you put exactly where you have the white hair, you just put a little bit, and that's it. 5 minutes after, you just get on shower, just wash it out with the cold water. I wouldn't recommend hot water. It's cold water. So if you just use it 3 times, like if you take a shower every day, you use 3 days, and you hardly gonna see your any more white hair or gray hair. It's gonna be gone, just like this. Just 4 use, 3 use. So this is the Control GX. I have the link in description. It's also cheap. It's around $6. So, and this is gonna last you a long time. If you have like few white hair here, you just put a little bit and get on shower, and this is gonna last you a long time. So the BLAM, because a few other one I tried before, and it didn't grow as fast, but this one, just using 5 use, is growing really fast. So this is why I'm gonna recommend this, and it's cheap. And I hopefully sometime what happens, something you use, it works like really fast, like first week, maybe second week, then it stop working out. But this one so far, it's working really good for me, and I would definitely recommend. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. Again, if you're going through any kind of hair loss situation, thinning out here, there's some great supplement. You could check it out on my channel, all hair growth products, and some natural shampoo that could help you, or there is some serum. So you have to do it early before you lose out all your hair, or is really mess up your hair. So depending on your hair situation, is there, you could check it out.